Al Maha, a luxury collection. Welcome to Al Maha, a luxury collection desert resort and spa, Dubai. An exclusive luxury desert hotel 45 minutes from Dubai, Al Maha, a luxury collection desert resort and spa. Dubai is a private, guest-only oasis nestled among the lush palm groves, emerald canopies, and iconic sand dunes of the Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve. Our five-star hotel offers secluded tranquility and iconic vistas of the sweeping plains and Hajar Mountain massif. Embark on a thrilling 4x4 drive through the dunes, or experience the magic of the desert on horseback. Enjoy a leisurely camel trek or nature walk. Join a signature desert safari, or practice the distinguished arts of archery and falconry. Our luxury hotel offers 42 private villas with swimming pools and stunning views, combining understated elegance with authentic regional antiques, local artifacts, and thoughtful touches. Al Maha, a luxury collection desert resort and spa, is a luxurious retreat located in the Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve in the United Arab Emirates. Known for its exclusivity and stunning desert surroundings, it offers a blend of traditional Bedouin-style architecture and high-end luxury. Surrounded by golden sand dunes, indigenous flora, and wildlife like Arabian or Shtemiks and gazelles. Features standalone suites inspired by Bedouin tents. Each suite includes a private temperature-controlled infinity pool. Interiors are adorned with regional antiques and handcrafted furnishings. Offers a fine dining experience at Al Duayan serving international and regional cuisine. Private dining experiences in the dunes or on the suite's deck are available. A range of desert activities including falconry displays, camel treks, horse riding, desert safaris, archery, guided nature walks to explore the desert ecosystem. Timeless Spa offers treatments inspired by Arabic traditions. Facilities include a sauna, steam room, and jacuzzi. Operates sustainably, aligning with conservation efforts to protect the desert ecosystem. Provides an intimate escape ideal for honeymoons, romantic getaways, or tranquil retreats.